Yes, in this class we solve some problems. Problem is find the differential equation of all spheres of fixed radius 3 having their centers in the xy plane. So first of all, we know what is the equation of the sphere. The equation of the sphere is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to r square, where a, b, c are the centers of the sphere and r is the radius of the sphere. So the question is here, find the differential equation of all spheres of fixed radius 3 having their centers in the xy plane. Xy plane means, here you observe that in xy plane, suppose in the xyz plane means that is in 3 dimension. In 3 dimension the center is a comma b comma c, but here in xy plane means the center is a comma b only. So first we write the equation of the sphere accordingly the given problem. From the coordinate geometry of 3 dimension, the equation of any sphere of radius 3 having center a, b, c in xy plane written as x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to 9. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to 9 means here we take the center as a comma b comma c. For sphere there is 3 dimension a comma b comma c, but the center says that center is in xy plane. That's why we take x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to 9, because in xy plane c is equal to 0. So this is the equation, algebraic equation. This algebraic equation can be changed into the differential equations, partial differential equation. So that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to 9. Differentiating partially the equation 1 with respect to x, we have partially differential equations with respect to x is what is the equation of what is the algebraic equation here? That is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to 9. So therefore differentiating partially the equation 1 with respect to x, we have 2 of x minus a plus 2z of dou z by dou x is equal to 0. How? You see, with respect to x means generally the partial derivative is in the form of z is equal to f of xy. So here z means that is the function of xy. Y is separate variable and x is separate variable, but means z means in z there is two variables. So x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to 9. Differentiating partially with respect to x, what we have, x minus a whole square in the form of x square. The derivative of x square is what? 2 of x minus a, because the internal derivative of x minus a with respect to x is 1. That's why that is 2 of x minus a. Okay, plus y minus b, the derivative of y minus b whole square is 0, and plus z square derivative is 2z. Internally the derivative with respect to x is dou z by dou x is equal to 0. So if we cancel from this equation 2, if we cancel, that is x minus a plus z dou z by dou x is equal to 0. Otherwise a is equal to Suppose minus a goes outside, plus a is equal to x plus z dou z by dou x. Perfectly we know that what is the value of dou z by dou x. That dou z by dou x can be written as, take that letter as a p. So a is equal to x plus z dou z by dou x is equal to x plus zp, means the value of a is equal to x plus zp. That is second equation. First equation is here, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is plus z square is equal to 9 is the first equation. This is the second equation. Again the differentiating partially to the equation 1 with respect to y. In above we find the derivative with respect to x. Now we find the differentiating equation with respect to y. So what, x minus the derivative of x minus a whole square is 0, because that is, there is no y term, there is no z term in that equation. That's why x minus a whole square is derivative is 0, plus y minus b whole square means 2 of y minus b, plus the derivative of z square is 2z dou z by dou x is equal to 9. The derivative of 9 is 0. So y minus b plus z dou z by dou y is equal to 0. Again same as above equation, b is equal to y plus z dou z by dou y is equal to y plus z. The value of dou z by dou y is nothing but q. So finally we got b is equal to y plus zq. This is third equation. In this third equation, b is equal to y plus zq. Substitute the value of a and b in 1. We have, what is the value of a actually? X plus zp, means x minus a whole square means x as it is. What is the value of minus a? Minus a means minus x minus zp whole square, plus y minus b whole square means y minus zq whole square, plus z square is equal to 9. If we cancel the values of x and y will both all are cancelled. So what is minus zp whole square is nothing but z square p square plus z square q square plus z square is equal to 9. If you common in these three terms, z square is common, p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to 9. This is the required equation, partial differential equation of all spheres with the radius is 3. With radius 3 having their center on xy plane, the common required equation is z square of p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to 9. You see what is z? Z is here the function of xy, and what is p? P is nothing but dou z by dou x, and q is nothing but dou z by dou y. 1 is constant and 9. So z square of p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to 9 is the required equation which we want to prove it. So what is the question here? General differential equation. The given equation is in geometrical, means that is in algebraic terms, that is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z minus c whole square is equal to, and actually this pair equation with having the center ABC, but ABC are the constants which we have to find and substitute in this equation. But c is equal to 0 already, because the center is in xy plane, there is no c term, so that is the radius center is a comma b. A comma b is the center, then x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square plus z square is equal to 9 becomes, for differentiating with respect to x and with differentiating with respect to y partially, we got the equations. Common equation is z square of p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to 9 is the required equation of this sphere which having radius is 3 and having center is on xy plane. So this is the solution for that question. Now we take another problem. Solve f of xy plus z square and x plus y plus z. Solve. What is the meaning of solve here? Means the given equation is in algebraic terms. This can be changed into partially differential equations. Partially differential equations is nothing in the terms of p comma q. So f of xy plus z square comma x plus y plus z is equal to 0. This is the equation which we have to solve. Let u is equal to xy plus z square and v is equal to x plus y plus z. So the function of f of x is in the terms of uv. So the equation required to f of uv is equal to 0. This is the equation. So u is in xyz terms and v is also in xyz terms. Now we find the derivative differential partial with respect to x. So what? That is dou f by dou u of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x. Because the f is a term of u comma v and where u is the terms of xy plus z. So all are variables here. There is no constant. With suppose if you derivative with respect to u, there is no constants because f is in function of uv and u is a function of xyz and v also a function of xyz. That's why what is dou f by dou u of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x. This is the equation, partial differential equation where the terms in xyz. So dou f by dou u of dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou x, dou f by dou v of dou v by dou x plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou x. This is the equation. Just we find the value, take the one value and find that value. What is that? So dou f by dou u, take dou u by dou x is y because the value of u is xy plus z square. What is dou u by dou x? What is dou u by dou x means y plus z square is 2z dou z by dou x. Actually, see dou f by dou u as it is. The dou u by dou x is nothing but y because if you take u xy plus z square with respect to x derivative, that is y only, because y is constant, the derivative of x is equal to 1 y. So again the derivative of z square is 2z. The internal derivative of z square is 2z, that is into dou z by dou x. Dou z by dou x is nothing but p. Otherwise you substitute the values in above equation. First you take dou f by dou u and dou u by dou x is y, dou u by dou z is nothing but 2z and dou z by dou x is called p. So dou f by dou u of y plus 2zp plus again we take this one dou f by dou v of dou v by dou x is where v is equal to x plus y plus z. Dou f by dou v is dou v by dou x is 1 because v is the v with respect to x partially means the derivative of x is equal to 1, derivative of y is equal to 0 and derivative of z is equal to also 0. So that is 1 plus 0 is 1 only. So dou v by dou x is equal to 1 and dou v by dou z is equal to dou v by dou z, that is also 1 into dou z by dou x is nothing but p. So finally we got this equation, what? Dou f by dou u of y plus 2zp plus dou f by dou v of 1 plus p. This is one equation. Another one is again differentiating with respect to y. x తోని చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొచ్చింది మనకు డో ఎఫ్ బై డో యూ ఆఫ్ డో యూ బై డో ఎక్స్. సేమ్ హియర్ డో ఎఫ్ బై డో యూ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ with respect to y means dou u by dou y plus the internal derivatives are dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y, because we differentiating here with respect to y. That's why we write here dou f by dou u of dou u by dou y plus dou u by dou z into dou z by dou y plus dou f by dou v of dou v by dou y plus dou v by dou z into dou z by dou y. As it is in place of x, just here we write y, because with respect to y means. So dou f by dou u of, what is the value of dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is what? That is x, because the derivative of y is equal to 1 and x is as a constant, x into 1 is x, plus 2z into dou z by dou y. Dou z by dou y is nothing but q. Dou f by dou u of x plus 2zq plus dou f by dou v of 1 plus q. So these two equations, eliminating dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v from these two equations, what we have? You see first how to eliminate the dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v. In the matrices method, just you take the what here determinant of the coefficients. In generally these methods we use in vectors and matrices also. That's why dou f by, if you want eliminating dou f by dou u and dou f by dou y, just we write the coefficients in the determinant form. That is what is the derivative coefficient of dou f by dou u? That is y plus 2zp, and the dou f by dou v is 1 plus p. And in second equation, dou f by dou u coefficient is x plus 2zq and dou f by dou v is 1 plus q. Otherwise we cancel terms like that, we can solve this problem. But by easy method, we can, from the determinant method, we can eliminate the dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v. Just you write the coefficients of dou f by dou u and dou f by dou v and find the values. So what is y plus 2zp 1 plus p, y plus 2zq 1 plus q, a b c d. So what is the determinant of a b c d? That is ad minus bc. That's why y plus 2zp into 1 plus q minus 1 plus p into x plus 2zq is equal to 0. ad minus bc is equal to 0 by that method. And now you simplify it, y into 1 y, 2zp into 1 2zp, plus q into y qy, and 1 into 2zp 2zpq. Same as it is here, minus x minus 2zq minus px minus 2zpq plus 2zpq minus 2zpq cancel. Just if you take 1 plus q, y is common, that is 1 plus q. If you take x is common, where is x? Minus x is common, that is 1 plus p, and the remaining term is 2zp minus 2zq. If you created common 2z, finally we got the equation 1 plus q of y minus 1 plus p of x plus 2z of p minus q is equal to 0. This is the required partial differential equation of first order. This is the required equation where we solve this problem. Okay. We take another problem. If u is equal to xy, show that dou 2u by dou x 2 dou y is equal to dou 3u by dou x 2 dou y is equal to dou 3u by dou x dou y dou x. Dou x dou y dou x is observe here. So what is the question? U is equal to x power y. Generally in power xy we use the logarithms. Without logarithm the power's derivative cannot be found. So u is equal to x power y is given. Take both side log. So what log u is equal to y log x. Generally we take when log, definitely the basis of log is e. We do not write here, but that is log u is equal to x power y means log u is equal to y log x. Final equation becomes algebraic equation becomes this log u is equal to y log x. Now we differentiating with respect to x with respect to y. The solution becomes, so differential equation 1 partially with respect to y. What log u, derivative of log u is 1 by u perfectly, because the function of u is in xy, that's why we write 1 by u. Otherwise if u is the function of x only, we write that is equal to 0, but the function of u is in x power y xy terms, so 1 by u dou u by dou y is equal to y log x. What is derivative of y? 1 log x is log x. So 1 by u dou u by dou y is equal to log x. So dou u by dou y is equal to u into log x. Dou u by dou y is equal to u into log x by cross multiplication. So what is dou u by dou y? Actually x u log x means what is the value of u? X power y log x. You take this as second equation, differentiating 1 partially with respect to x. What? 1 by u dou u by dou x is equal to y by x. y by x, you see, differentiating 1 partially with respect to x unto now. U derivative of log u is 1 by u dou u by dou x, okay, is equal to, you see, y log x is there. Partially differentiating with respect to x means y take as a constant, the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Therefore dou u by dou x is equal to u into 1 by y by x. What is dou u by dou x? X power y. What is u? X power y into y by x. X power y into y by x means x come in upside, that is x power y minus 1 into y. This is third equation. This is dou u by dou x and that is dou u by dou y. So now dou 2u by dou x dou y is what? Dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. The value of dou 2u by dou x dou y is dou by dou x of dou u by dou y. That is dou by dou x of, what is the value of dou u by dou y? That is x power y log x. So dou by dou x of x power y is u into log x. That is u into 1 by x plus log x into dou u by dou x. It becomes x by y, x power y by x plus y x power y minus 1 log x. That is x power y, x come in upside, that is x power y minus 1 of 1 plus y log x. This is the value of dou 2u by dou x2. So what is dou 3u by dou x2 dou y? That is dou by dou x of dou 2u by dou x dou y means that is dou by dou x of, what is the value of dou 2u by dou x dou y? That is x power y minus 1 of 1 plus y log x. That is fourth equation. What is dou 2u by dou y dou x? Means dou by dou y of dou u by dou x. Dou by dou y of u into y by x is 1 by x constant, u first derivative of y is 1 plus y, derivative of u is dou u by dou y. So that is dou 2u by dou y dou x. That is 1 by x is constant, u is x power y plus y, x power y log x, because the dou u by dou y is nothing but dou u by, where is dou u by dou y? In above first equation, x power y log x. That's why I write x power y log x. So this will come x power y 1 by x power y is common, x power y by x means x power y minus 1 plus, again this is x power y minus 1 y log x. So dou 2 u by dou y dou x is x power y minus 1 common 1 plus y log x. So you see dou 3 u by dou x to dou y is equal to dou by dou x of this one, and same thing dou by dou x of this one is fifth. You see fourth and fifth. What is the equation fourth? That is fourth is what? Dou 3 u by dou x to dou y is dou by dou x of x power y minus 1 1 plus y log x. Okay, you see RHS. And fifth equation, dou 3 u by dou x dou y dou x is equal to dou by dou x of x power y minus 1 1 plus y log x. You see fourth and fifth are same in RHS. Wherever the, suppose x is equal to a and y is equal to a, there automatically we say that x is equal to y. That's why the both are dou 3 u by dou x to dou y and dou 3 u by dou y dou y dou x is same. So from fourth and fifth we have dou 3 u by dou x to dou y is equal to dou 3 u by dou x dou y dou x. This is a very interesting problem. We starting by algebraic equation, we solve this equation by partial differential equations. This is the final. So this is how to find the, how to change the partial algebraic equation to partial differential equations. Okay, thank you.